Hello, 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 students. Hello, hello, Farhan. हेलो मेरा साउंड आ रहा है? ओके. हेलो, हेलो. Okay, I hope you know that IIT JEE form fill-ups are started and they are going to close by 27 September 27 November 2025. IIT JEE registrations are ongoing. Registration started and 27th November is the last date. This is the last date. Okay. The exams will start from January 20, like that. January 29. Exam date. Exam date will be from January 2021 to January 30. So mark these dates. Okay, so the exams will be conducted in different shifts, obviously. So I hope you know that. Anyways, if you have any doubt regarding anything from chemistry, you can ask. Okay, so let me give you an a marks distribution for chemistry in IT JEE mains. So JEE mains marks distribution. So from class 11, I'm considering the physical chemistry part, physical chemistry, class 11, organic chemistry, class 11, and inorganic chemistry, class 11. Okay. So in terms of percentage, if you say in terms of percentage, physical chemistry from class 11 comes for around 17 to 18% questions. Okay, and organic chemistry from class 11 is very less part, only 8 to 10%. And inorganic chemistry, obviously we have in inorganic chemistry we have chapters like redox reactions. From those chapter maximum question comes almost 25%. This is the maximum scoring part from class 11 inorganic chemistry. Okay, okay, Farhan. So, and from class 12 physical chemistry, class 12, around 20% questions are there. Then from organic, class 12, almost you get 22 to 25% questions. And from inorganic, you get very less number of questions. Inorganic, inorganics around 8 to 10%. Okay, so this is the full marks distribution. Okay, this is the marks distribution of class 11 and 12 for JEE mains. Okay, okay, Farhan. So basically I'm discussing the marks distribution for JEE mains. So physical, from class 11 physical, we know physical means you have here atomic structure, then your mole concept, then the chapter, some calculation from equivalent weight and all. These are also included. Equivalent weight, these are in class 11. Organic, you know, organic we have two chapters in class 11. One is GOC, one is hydrocarbon. And inorganic, in inorganic we have redox, then P block, then we have in class 11 we have classification of periodic table. That topic is also there. Okay, in physical class 12 we have first three chapters, that is electrochemistry, then your kinetics, then solution. These chapters are there. Organic, though you know is this whole part 2 of NCERT book. Part 2 NCERT book, whole book is your chemistry, that is organic chemistry. In inorganic, in class 12 we have DNA block, we have coordination compounds, and we also have your some P block. P block is not in our book anymore, but still those topics are there. So these are some of the points, some of the chapters that you should focus since JEE mains are coming. Okay, now for example, for let us, since I am online, so I will ask you some question. Let me ask you some questions. Okay, okay. For example, this question, very easy question I am asking. Find number of heteroatoms. Heteroatoms means, you know, the atoms that are not carbon and hydrogen. So let us suppose for example this compound, oxygen here, nitrogen here. Okay, now how many heteroatoms are there in this compound? Can you tell me how many heteroatoms are there? So in this compound, this point represents carbon, this is also a carbon, this is also a carbon and carbon, but this one is the oxygen and this is nitrogen. So heteroatoms are those atoms that are not carbon hydrogen. Except carbon and hydrogen, whatever atoms are there as a member in the ring are called heteroatoms. Here two atoms are there, that is oxygen and nitrogen. So for this particular question the answer will be 2, that is 2 atoms. Next, one more question. Okay, let us suppose this one. I hope you know the structure. The structure. Okay, can you tell me what is the name? No need to tell me the name, actually you have to find the number of heteroatoms, but still if you know. How many heteroatoms are there? So here only one heteroatom is there, that is nitrogen. So 1. So this way these questions are done. So in exam they will confuse you by giving questions like this. By giving questions like this, they will ask you to find heteroatoms in this compound COOH. Here they will give NH2. Here they will give double bond, double bond, double bond. Now what is the number of heteroatoms? Total heteroatoms in this formula. So what is the total number of heteroatoms? Any idea? Yes, JEE mains is near end. Yes, the first exam which will be conducted on January. We don't have much time. Anyways, how many heteroatoms are there in this formula? How many heteroatoms are there in this formula? So in this formula, we know that heteroatoms are those atoms that are connected in the ring, inside the ring. The element should be as a member in the ring. So here these oxygens are not in the ring. This nitrogen is not as a member in the ring. So this is not our answer. So here for this particular question, number of heteroatoms, if they ask, it will be 0. This is 0. Why 0? Because there is no heteroatom as a member in the ring. This is only in this question, answer will be 1. No, answer will be 0 because no heteroatoms are there. Okay. Now one question. Find hybridization so this is the question. Number A, CH3 C double bond O C H2, not CH2, it should be CH. Okay, so hybridization. Any idea how to solve? So here this carbon is sp3, this carbon is sp2 because it is connected with a double bond. This carbon is also sp2 because it is also connected with a double bond, and this carbon is sp2 obviously because it is also connected with a double bond. Okay, now tell me this one. Okay, so this one, CH2 double bond CH, not CH, it should be CH2. What will be the number of, what will be the hybridization? sp2, this will be sp, this will be sp2. Okay, why? Always remember, if a carbon makes two double bond from both sides, Then we have 1 sp. Wait a second.